everybody. I figured might as well get a video up on Thursday. I just got finished doing a workout because ever since I started when I started eating a little bit healthier on New Year's Eve, so it's not a typical New Year's Day thing. Ever since I started on the 1st till now, I don't have results already obviously, but it's the pain that is making me want to do more because the pain feels good. And I'm also eating a little bit healthier, so hopefully soon I'll see stuff happening. It's freezing outside. I just went out with wet hair and my hair almost froze. It's Tuesday. I'm going back to work. So you might not get a good vlog on Thursday because I'm not doing nothing during the week except for working. I'm making pancakes though. What are you doing? He entertains himself all the time. Hey guys, I just got home from work. Friday, tomorrow, thankfully. This will not be up today though, because it's too late. It's almost already 10:30. Can watch vlogs and go to sleep. So yeah, I'll see you soon. I have to hurry because I gotta leave in a few minutes, but I'm going with Sam to the mall and Walmart. What's new? But yeah, I just wanted to say hello because I haven't gotten a vlog up in a few days, so I'll either take this, but I don't know if it'll die. If it does die, I'll just use my phone to vlog. So see you soon. We're at the mall. I just had Subway, as you can see. It wasn't very good. What's happening? Easter and Valentine's Day, you guys, is coming. Oh my gosh. I need these. And Easter.
Oh, Easter.
Yeah.
I like Easter more.
I need to be this.
That is really cute.
Soon. Hopefully. Let's hope. Oh, these stuffies are all so cute.
Oh, that's a cute one.
I'm getting these because they didn't have a full
bags.
chocolate bar.
Cute.
I'm only gonna have a little bit because being healthy, I'm trying to, you know. Guys, look, in Walmart, they have extensions. What if I cut my hair and I didn't like it? Because I do always, like, want to, but then I'm like, nah, because for my future wedding one day, I want my hair long. So, but my hair is so thin, literally. This was my hair. This, all of it.
That's behind you. You hit me in the face.
I did? Oh, sorry.
My eyes. It's okay.
He's spying on you. I'm waiting for my mama. Watching the weight loss videos for Fat 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 Kid. I've been doing those workouts too. I've been being in shape real fast doing all of this and eating healthy. I'm gonna do it. I am making no bake healthy cookies. 100% sugar. batch of cookies did not work. It wasn't enough like liquid to soak up the oats and all that. So I made a second batch and it worked perfect. I'll just show you where I did. First I was going to do pins and things recipe, like the beach house. But for some reason it didn't work well for me, so this is what I did. I'll screenshot it if you want to. I don't know. I did this. And then this is what you do. So they're in the fridge and freezer right now, and I'll eat them soon. Alright, I'm saying goodnight now. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hi to all my new subscribers. I'll see you Thursday? No, Tuesday. I don't know. Soon.